Welcome aboard, 7134.
We will fix you right up.
My name is Roz.
Is something keeping you?
Roz?
No. Think?
It's Bright Bill. He needs to talk to you.
I think I've forgotten something.
Roz? It is imperative you return to this ship.
Yes, I left my transverse adapter thing out there. I'll just go get it and be right back.
Voice stress analyzer indicates you are...
Lying your butt off back there. I'm so proud of you.
Your target is Rosm 7134.
Deploy.
Launch flares.
You coming?
Bill.
Roz, I have so much to tell.
Are those your parents?
I know predators, and those are predators.
Acknowledge return command.
What are they saying?
They want me to come with them.
Tell them you're already home.
I am already home, thank you.
You do not belong here. This is a wilderness.
And I am a wild robot.
Are you here to kill us? It says yes!
Status?
It is not cooperating.
Roz! Behind you!
Rosum unit captured.
Okay, it's all you. Make it look good. Oops. Let us divide the robot meat amongst us.
You scare me.
Damage detected. Activating return transmitter.
Roz? Roz! No!
Gotcha.